Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is part 2, guys. Hello. This is the part 2. This is it. Yeah, Bulldog Tower. So this year my goal is stage 100 na tayo, pero hanggang ilan kaya to na stage, no? Yeah, maybe. Or 200, you just say later. Yes, earlier. Oh my god! Why I always fall? Fell. Yeah, fell. Let's go, girl! Oh, that's slippery. Nag-i-slippery to, be. Hala, uy. So, part 2 nga to, guys. Edit ko na lang mamaya. Hindi ko alam kung merong pang part 3 to, itong vlog ko. Ay. Ala, hulog. I just fell, guys. Oh no! Guys, I always fell. Why I'm so unlucky? Yeah. I'm so happy. 1 minute already? Oh my god. Bro, you just fell again. Yay! I did it! Stage 104 na tayo, mga best. Oh, malapit na, be. Malapit na. Tignan mo sa taas. It's a little bit more, and now we're done. Hello! Oh, we always die. Stage 106, 107, 18. Girl, are you okay? You just rest down. Okay, perfect. You're here now. Stage 109. Stage 10. Stage 110. Stage 111. Stage 112. Stage 113. Yeah, I just fucking fell. Stage 114. Stage 115. Stage 116. Girl, wait a minute. Stage 17. Stage 18, stage 19 next. Cool Bulldog. Whoa. Cool Bulldog. Is there a flavor Cool Bulldog, girl? Okay. Yeah, maybe. Ay, oo nga, no, meron. Yeah. Mahuhulaan ba ng viewers natin kung hanggang ilang stage to? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I always fell. Okay, tara. Hello. I think they are wrong. Oh! Girl, what is happening? Wait. Oh my! Yeah, I did it wrong. Parang merong invisible dito pero nakikita na lang, di ba? Ay, wow. Girl! Where did that fell? Alam ko na yung pattern. Wait lang. Baka nga, alam ko na. First, may nakaharang kasi yung... Ba't ganun? Be, gigilid lang tayo. Tara, wait lang. Parang mahirap to guys Pinapahirapan tayo. Yung. Ow. Okay. Understand. Ano naman to? May nakaharang. Hala. Ba nakakit ka na? Nurture. What the? Alam ko na. May nakaharang. Ito, ay tae. Ay, joke lang guys Don't mind what I'm saying. Nakaharang. Oo nga. Guys, ang hirap. Hala, tinatry ko yung hindi naman pero bawal. Ganun guys! Kaloka! Ay, baka meron tong So, comment nyo guys. Kasi, nahuhulog kami. Ang hirap ng part na to Magpo-focus ako. Alaman. Hindi man, uy ako. Nahulog man, uy. Ben, nakano ka na? Huh? What do you mean straight? Bro, I'm straight girl. Paano? Inunahan mo na ako. Ay. Oo. Ayan guys, nagpapatulong tayo kay Sia. Ala! Ba't ka nahulog? Wait lang, baka mag-uulhap. Oh my God! Naman? Actually guys, hindi namin alam paano to laruin. Hello! Ba't may kaala-ala? Nag-grib na naman ako. Okay guys, pa-help na lang. Di ko ano to. Okay, nahulog nga. May sira tong laro na to. Paano? Nga, nahulog pa si Sia. Guys. Be! May ladder! Invisible ladder! Sabi ko na Buti naisip ko yun. Buti naisip ko yun. Grabe, ang tagal namin inisip yun, be. Ganun lang pala. Ay, sorry. Uy, narinig ka sa video. Okay guys, wala nang oras. Kaya magbababay na ako. See you on part 2. Ay, part 3.